Friends, on 16th and 17th December 2019 in Rajkot, RKU University, which is always organizes amazing programs, I have been there earlier, is organizing a conference, international research conference on innovation, startups and investments. And what I would like to share here and invite you to that program, either as a speaker or putting up your paper or attending, is that it is very important in India to understand the triple helix of competitiveness. The role between government, academia and industry and how it interplays with each other is a very critical role, and it creates a competitive economy and very relevant to innovations and startups. Second, I want to give a message that to the young people that it is okay to fail, but fail early and fail small. So that is the key thing of innovation. And about innovations and startups, I want to just say that hire people for attitude and train them for skills. And lastly, do one thing better than anyone else. So what is that one thing you have to sort out and find out? And that itself is entrepreneurship. And in this conference, you will meet a lot of people from many countries and from all over India and from Gujarat. And you will get an opportunity to listen to ideas, look at investments, either to invest or you can also seek investments, and basically interact with the community which is involved in research on innovations, startups and investments, and take forward. We must all try to do our bit for our Prime Minister Mr. Modi's mission to take India to a $5 trillion economy by 2025, and it is the innovations and startups which is going to take us there. Thank you and all the best. See you there.